Is your Instagram swipe directly feature suddenly refusing to play nice, leaving your message replies feeling clunky and disconnected? Let's dive into fixing that frustrating Instagram swipe directly bug, one simple step at a time. First, a gentle refresh is often all it takes on your smartphone. Navigate to your device's main settings menu, look for apps or applications a circumflex euros. The exact wording might vary slightly depending on your phone model. Once you've found the app list, scroll down and tap on Instagram. Now you'll want to look for an option labeled Force Stop, and tap it. This will completely close down the Instagram app, stopping any errant processes that might be causing the glitch. Don't worry, this won't delete anything. Next, tap on Storage and then select Clear Cache. This removes temporary files that can sometimes become corrupted and interfere with app functions. After that, go back to your home screen. Now, reopen Instagram and head back into a direct message conversation. Try the swipe directly feature again if it's still not working. Let's move to the next step. The most common culprit is an outdated app. Go to your device's app store, either the App Store for iPhones or the Google Play Store for Android devices. Search for Instagram. If you see an Update button, tap it immediately. Make sure your Instagram app is running the latest version available, as this often includes bug fixes that can resolve issues like the swipe directly not working. Once the update is complete, open Instagram again and test the swipe directly. You should now be able to fluidly reply to messages, restoring those seamless interactions. If for some reason it's still not functioning, try restarting your entire phone. This can clear up deeper system-level issues by following these steps. You should be able to restore fluid conversations and resolve those annoying glitches, making your Instagram messaging experience a breeze once again.